Hi, my name is Nishi. Right from her birth, this is my daughter Vedika. Right from her birth, she was diagnosed with eczema. Her eczema was so severe that both her hands and legs both were covered with eczema patches, and there was severe itching at night. She couldn't sleep at night. Both me and my husband were awake. We used to keep ourselves awake till morning because after scratching there would be blood and water coming out from her eczema patches. Then we tried lot of treatment, but nothing could heal her completely. There will be there will be relief for few months. Then after that, when the treatment was stopped, her eczema would be severe. Recently, my friend just recommended me this program. I came across Dr. Shubha. She guided me through all this journey. Whenever I have any doubt, she would clear all my doubts. She has changed our life eating way. We started following a healthy diet. Now, within 1 week of the treatment, I can see lots of changes in her skin. Her itching has reduced to almost to 80%. Now she can sleep well. Within one thing is that after 1 week she got a fever, and her fever was even reduced without any drop of a single drop of paracetamol. This was the first time when she got fever. I didn't give her paracetamol. It was cured with natural way. Thanks Shubha for guiding me throughout this journey, and I wish to follow this same lifestyle for few more months. Thanks a lot for guiding me.